हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे ऐसे और डेमोक्रेसी इन पाकिस्तान। तो दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ अब जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकॉन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। इट इज़ फैक्ट दैट democracy is the most dominant form of government all over the world. But unfortunately, it has never enjoyed full-blown. Democracy has many drawbacks. Democracy cannot be defined comprehensively and perfectly. So some elements come together to explain democracy. These are called the essentials of democracy. The 5 essentials of democracy are people, majority, equality, political parties, and patience. The essentials of democracy play a very vital role in the development of democracy. But all these elements have never enjoyed unity. Sometimes the majority gave a wrong decision. Sometimes equality could not be maintained. Sometimes democracy was hanged at the altar of political clashes. Sometimes dictators lost patience and crushed democracy. Let us view the role of the essentials of democracy. The people. Democracy is known as the government of the people, by the people and for the people. It starts with the unity of the people and ends due to the disunity of the people. Public opinion is the base of democracy. Unfortunately, it is newspapers or media based and personality oriented. Majority. Democracy is the role of majority, but it is a bitter fact that fools are many and wise are few. In Pakistan, this has been the major cause of failure of democracy. The few clever leaders before the masses and are elected. A wise man has rightly said, a majority can never replace the man, just as 100 fools cannot make one wise man. Equality. It is another pillar of democracy. There are two faces of equality. One is that democracy creates equality, as it is the government of the people. Another aspect is demand of democracy, that all the citizens should be equally interested in the affairs of the state. But both these principles do not exist. Equality is neither implemented nor maintained. In Pakistan, people are more concerned with their family problems than democracy. Political parties. Politics in Pakistan has never been a pleasing issue. There have been differences than consents among the political parties. The democratic government rules in the most undemocratic atmosphere, so the time is wasted in personal clashes. Patience. Democracy demands patience, but in Pakistan it has never been observed. The impatient leaders, opposition, and other factors never allow democracy to prosper. Leg pulling and corruption, no confidence, and new elections are the routines of democracy in Pakistan. Democracy in Pakistan. Unfortunately, democracy has never been implemented in Pakistan. It has failed badly. Since birth, Pakistan has faced the problem of unstable government. The greatest causes of this fall are the illiterate masses, political leaders and parties, and the dictators. If these evils are removed, then democracy will prosper. Conclusion. In the end, we can say that It is a universal truth that with all its drawbacks, democracy is far better than any other form of government because it makes masses happier and more responsible than any other system of government. तो दोस्तों ये था ऐसे ऑन डेमोक्रेसी इन पाकिस्तान। दोस्तों अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, इस वीडियो को शेयर करें। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने में तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। आप इस वीडियो को फेसबुक व्हाट्सएप के तहत शेयर कर सकते हैं, अपने दोस्तों को इस चैनल के बारे में बता सकते हैं। इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए आपका बहुत शुक्रिया। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। थैंक यू।